Sloths can hold their breath underwater for an astonishing 40 minutes, outlasting dolphins who manage about 10 minutes. Turns out these slow movers have an unexpected aquatic edge. While dolphins are busy leaping and playing in the waves, sloths are taking leisurely underwater strolls, thanks to their slower metabolism which allows them to conserve oxygen efficiently. This hidden talent of the sloth isn't just a quirky fact, it's a survival skill, helping them evade predators by hiding beneath the water's surface. So, next time you think of sloths as just tree-hugging dreamers, remember their secret superpower that lets them become stealthy swimmers, mastering a skill that even the ocean's most playful mammals can't surpass.